Hello everybody, my name's John and welcome to our channel. Today I wanted to show you how you can take 4 bolts, screws, bolts, and change your bog standard 144001 into a Tarmac Racer. Look how low that is! Versus, we've got about 4 centimeters of ground clearance, and with this you have but 2 centimeters. So let me show you how simple it is to do. What you need is 4 screws. Actually, I'm going to take 4 of the same size. 1, 2, 3, 4, and they are bolts, not screws. Oops, knocking the light, that wasn't so good, was it? All of us have exactly the same. Just make sure that this is in focus. Right, let me point with that. There we go. Right down there, you have a hole there. You have a hole on that side too, there, and then at the rear, you have the hole there, and you have the hole there. Now, if I take off the body, take your screw, and I need to make sure that you can at least see what's going on. There we go. You see where it is there? And try to put it in straight. Like so. You can feel when it's in. I'm not going to tighten it up yet because I want to show you the effect when you do it. This is obviously for those that wish to just do some driving on tarmac. They don't have to be removed when you go back to the gravel. You can just wind it outwards and leave them in there. There. Such a quick mod. It's so simple, so quick, and can have such a big difference. There is one other thing that you have to do, but I'll show you how to do that as well. You see, it's not hard to feed it in either. Very, very simple to do. And the last one in here. I apologise about the thunder and lightning. You won't see the lightning, but you will hear the thunder. Right, so now you see 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's still at. Let me get the ruler. You can see it's quite high. Now, what's the best way to do this? Let me put it down and then I'll show you. I will do just one side now. So, turn, 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 turn. And what that is doing is, if you look underneath, just make sure it's in focus, you have this little ledge on the rear and at the front. And if I keep on turning, you see how it's actually moving the whole arm upwards. So effectively you are adjusting the ride height. Okay, you see where the screw is there? And then I will do the rear, and you can see, I mean, like already you can see that this wheel is above the ground. Wrong way. Make sure you don't do it too much, because then you'll have no suspension. It's got to be enough that you've got a little bit of suspension as well. What we got? Okay, a little bit more, I think. I love mods that are like really cheap and easy to do, and this is one of the better ones because it can have such a drastic effect. Look at that. What we got now? 2 centimeters. So, look at the difference in that already. You can do a little bit more at the rear. Okay, now if you compare that to the other side, look. Wow, what a difference. Okay, but I'm going to quickly show you to do the other side as well. Now, oh, where did that bit go? Really? Did that fall off and land in there? That's impressive. I'll see that when I'm editing. What was I saying? Oh, I can't remember. Just keep on going, get this done. Yes, that was it about the video. I'm not going to show you me driving, mainly because it is absolutely pissing it down outside and I don't want to get my car wet. But I also want you guys to try it yourself. For the sake of 4 screws, bolts. There we go. Right. No, that was a little bit too much. You see that there's, if you do it too much, you've got no suspension, so you don't want that to happen. That's very bad. Suspension, oh, a bit low there. If you were to get some smaller shocks, then obviously you can take it down to it's touching the ground. That one needs to be done a little bit more. Ah. Look at that. That's simple. This mod is so simple. Okay, there you go. Now, one thing that you have to consider doing is, it's actually not too bad on this one. On the green car, when I did this, the wheel, the camber was too far outwards, so I had to adjust these to bring the camber back in. I've actually need to adjust this one in a little bit more. If you see, it's still slightly outwards. You want the rear tyre to be as flat as possible, and the front tyre, because then that will give you the maximum. It's not like a Formula 1 car, because you don't have the G-force going around the corners, so you don't have to sort of camber, set the camber sort of inwards at the top. But make sure that they are, when it's sat down on the ground, make sure that the contact area is as much as possible. I'm now looking, and it is absolutely perfect on this one. So, if you have to adjust the camber, so the camber is in or outwards on both the front and the rear, then all you do is the tie rod at the top, adjust it inwards or outwards depending on what you need to do. You've got the ones at the front as well to do the same thing, and that will bring the wheels, the top of the wheels in or the top of the wheels out. Or if you look at it the other way, the bottom of the wheels in, the bottom of the wheels, yeah, you get the point. So there you go, look at that. It's that simple, everybody. All right, give it a go, see what you think. And obviously when you go to the gravel, just unscrew all 4. You don't even have to take them out. You can leave them in there and then go on the gravel. If you're going to be driving on the gravel, please don't do this, because you are going to just rip the crap out the bottom of your car, which you probably don't want to do. That's it, that's simple. I hope you liked this video. If so, hit that like button and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell for future video alerts. Have a great day today, everybody. Make sure you take care of yourselves and stay safe. Bye bye.